Good morning, Rudolph. How are you today?
Just go away, woman. Can't you see I'm busy?
Hello, Kitty. Look what I've got here for you.
Yippee!
Oh my God, Kitty, are you okay? Did you hurt yourself?
Just go away, woman. Leave me alone.
Where is my kitten? I see a red nose hidden here inside.
Woman, can't you just mind your own business and leave me alone?
Sorry, Kitty, I couldn't find you and I panicked.
Humans, they just can't manage on their own. They always need to be around me for safety.
Where are you now, Kitty? Oh, what are you doing there?
Human, let me explain. I just need some peace, okay? You bother me? Bye, bye, see you later.
Rudolph, what are you doing there, Kitty? What's wrong?
I'm fine, don't worry. I'm simply exhausted. It's been a long day and I need some rest.
Thank God, Kitty. I thought you had fainted due to the heat.
I'm not so sensitive, Human. Just let me relax. You keep bothering me all the time.
Sorry, Rudolph, but you know that I love you so much. Okay, just relax. I will keep quiet and let you sleep.